Hello. In this 3-minute introduction, I am going to answer 4 frequently asked questions about JavaScript. What is JavaScript? What can you do with it? Where does JavaScript code run? And what is the difference between JavaScript and ECMAScript? So let's start with the first question. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is one of the most popular and widely used programming languages in the world right now. It's growing faster than any other programming languages, and big companies like Netflix, Walmart, and PayPal build entire applications around JavaScript. And here's average salary that's 72,000 a year. So it's a great opportunity to get a job out of learning JavaScript. You can work as a front-end developer or a back-end developer or a full stack. It's a developer who knows both the front-end and the back-end. Now the second question. What can you do with JavaScript? For a long time, JavaScript was only used in browsers to build interactive web pages. Developers refer to JavaScript as a toy language, but those days are gone because huge community support and investments by large companies like Facebook and Google, they say you can build full-blown web or mobile apps as well as real-time networking applications like chats and video. JavaScript was originally designed to run only in browsers, so every browser has what we call a JavaScript engine that can execute JavaScript code. For example, the JavaScript engines in Firefox and Chrome are SpiderMonkey. A very clever engineer called Ryan Doll took the open source JavaScript engine in Chrome and embedded it inside a C++ program. He called that program Nut. The Nut.js is a C++ program that includes Google's V8 JavaScript engine. Now, with this we can run JavaScript code out of browser, so we can pass our JavaScript code to Node for executions, and this means with JavaScript we can build the backend for our web and mobile applications. So, in a nutshell, JavaScript code can be run inside of a browser or in Node browsers, and Node provides a runtime environment for our JavaScript code. And finally, the last question. What is the difference between JavaScript and ECMAScript? Well, ECMAScript is just a specification. JavaScript is a programming language that conforms to this specification. So we have this organization called a command, which is responsible for defining standards. They take care of this ECMAScript specification. The first of ECMAScript was released in 1997, then starting from 2015. ECMA has been working on annual releases of a new specification, so in 2015 they released a ECMAScript 2015, which is also called ECMAScript version 6 or ES6. For short, this specification defined many new features for JavaScript. Alright, enough theory. Let's see JavaScript in action. So every browser has a JavaScript engine, and we can easily write JavaScript code here without any additional tools, of course. This is not how we build real-world applications, but this is just for a quick demo. Okay, so open up Chrome or any other browsers. Right click on an empty area and go to Inspect Now. This opens up Chrome Developer Tools. Here select the console tab. This is our JavaScript console, and we can write any valid JavaScript code. So type this console.log. Console.log, put a single quote here, and then hello world, another single quote. To terminate, close the parenthesis and add a semicolon at the end. Now as you go through the course, you're going to understand exactly what all this means. For now, don't worry about it. So now I'll press enter and you can see the hello world message. On the console we can also write mathematical expressions here. For example, 2 plus 2. We get 4. Or we can do something like this. Alert. And here's an alert. In the next lecture I'm going to talk about setting up your development environment for writing JavaScript code.